Police investigates Mira vehicle for armed robberies after arresting Mashingomira reporters and having failed to make charges of trespass into a private plot that Minister of State Ezra Chadzamira grabbed from a widow and is building a private school. Stick. Musarabira mashoko buda panguva inoi. Arikuonekwa kunzi panguva inoi mapurisa oda kuinvestigata a vehicle the Mira panguva inoi yatadza kuwanira reporters the Mira mashingo mhaka after ava expose now ya Minister of State Ezra Chadzamira kuti I grabbed imwe nzvimbo widow zvake. But panguva inoi vabata vakomana vatatu. We released another video renhau yabudiswa again the Mira mashingo panguva inoi vachivashayira mhaka. But panguva inoi vakuvatsvakira vakuita an investigation kuti aiwa your vehicle panguva inoi yaka-involvwa in armed robbery. Don't forget to subscribe or like button on the bell. The police was forced to investigate the company's Toyota Aqua for use in armed robberies and impound it. There were strenuous efforts to link the car to robberies that occurred at Gain Supermarket and a few other places in Mashingo between November and December this year. This turned out to be a wild goose chase as Mashingomira keeps a strict log sheet on the use of the vehicle. Officer in charge criminal investigation Edwin Masiwa then took the KAASI book to Zinara for shortfalls in statutory obligations, and the intention was to impound the car if any Zinara cleared the vehicle. Reporters Karikae Mafirakureva, Simbarashe Mutembo, and Tinashe Koga were arrested and detained for 3 hours without charge when they were found near the plot in Morningside Mashingo, whose wrangle between Chadzamira and Farai Mutsetse is now a case before the High Court. Chadzamira's hangers on, who act as his private bodyguards and impersonate CIO and police, turned violent against the reporter. Mira consulted Matthew Takawona condemned the arrest as shameless abuse of police officers and CIO agents on Chadzamira's private affairs. He urged Police Commissioner General and CIO Director General to protect the hapless members and the good names of their organizations from abuse and being tarnished by selfish politicians. It is alarming that a mere Minister of State abrogates himself powers to summon and direct national institutions as important as the police and CIO to fight personal battles. This abuse of authority is dangerous to these institutions in the long run. Mashingomira will not be intimidated or deterred from duty by hooligans in Chadzamira's camp who masquerade as CIOs and police officers. We have respect for our security arms and no time for impersonators of police and CIO. To mashukano mudajinogwa modemira pina kuma section medu mzema funguro emotuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi chinoshodesa kwazvo. So subscribe or like, chintomba bell icon.